I'm in a new place and I want to put my servers in the garage, and the place fortunately has been wired up with Cat5 cable. The only problem is it's got telephone connectors at the end of each end of that cable. So what I want to do is I want to convert those into network cables, and in order to do that I've got to find out which wire is which, because the wires actually go into a central location in the garage and they all terminate there and none of them are marked. So what I wanted to do was maybe go, buy a tone tester so that I can see which cable was which. And I thought, well, it's going to be $40-50 to buy that thing, plus I'm going to have to wait 5 days. Maybe I've got the equipment in my lab to do something similar. As it turns out I do, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a small handheld radio, and I use my signal generator in order to detect the wire that's running into my office, so that I can convert it from an RJ11 phone jack into a RJ45 network cable. Basically, I've got my radio here. It's tuned to 147080. I've got myself a little cable here, and I'm going to just tie it onto the end of the network cable up in the office here, and then I'll go downstairs and I'll trace the cable out. If I use the signal generator and tune it to roughly the frequency that I'm listening to on my radio, so radio's listening to 147080, and I'm going to tune this down to roughly that 147.08, lock the frequency, and then I turn on the FM modulator, turn that on, and it's on, and turn the RF output on, and you can hear it, radio's picking it up. Turn it off, and the radio no longer picks it up. What I'll do is I'll wrap this cable here onto the phone jack, the cable actually, that is up in the office here, and I should be able to pick up that signal on the radio downstairs on the correct cable. So let's try it out and see what happens. So there's the plug, and you can see there's a couple of pairs of wire there. So I'm just going to connect up this cable. I'm going to just sort of wrap it around one of those things so that we have a signal that's being induced into those wires. So let's try that out. Hopefully I can make it long enough. Oh, actually, there's some extra wires here, and I'll take one of them. And there you have it. Let's try to zoom in there a bit. Let's see that. And you can see the mess of cables there. One of those should make a noise. Let's try it out. I'll turn the squelcher off and listen to the tone. There we go. You can hear it clearly. So it's obviously that top wire that's the one. So just take note of that, and that'll be the one that I tuned.